In class morning, yeah. Yes. All right. Today, as what we have planned, we will do some discussion. I mean, revision on the Trigo, as we already finished all the syllabus. So this will be our question number 2 in the exam. So we can start to do some revision here. Starting from this question, I have this revision question in the uploaded to the Google Classroom, isn't it? Have you seen this question? Okay, okay. But you know where this question is? I think it's the latest one. It's the latest stream in our Google Classroom, and that's the one. Can I get your email and contact anyway? Who is Joanna? Already. Yeah. So that is the question that I updated recently. And last week we have done also complex number revision. So if anyone didn't attend the class, I think this gives an idea what to be revised revision in your complex number. Now we are now doing Trigo. So you can turn to this page number 4. I think page number 4 is the one that we will discuss. All right. So can we start now? We can start from question number 15. Okay. Express the following in the simplest form. Okay. So any idea what to be used in the formula? Yeah, so money formula will be given for the Trigo, right? If you check your this Google Classroom, the formula sheet I will be given will be this page, this whole page. These are formula given, right? So you need to know which formula to be used in the when you solve the Trigo function. Okay. So how do we start this one? Anyone? I mean, for number 1, the cos square x minus 1 to be divided by cos x. How do we simplify it? Anyone? Sine square cosine square. What is that? From the question, we have cosine square x minus 1 over cosine x. Right. So from here, we can do is what? Any idea? Sine square x over cos square x. Sine square over cos x. Okay, you see the 1. The 1 is a special number in Trigo, whereby we can change the 1 into 1. Sine square x plus cos square x. There's something here, right? So, and will be cos x. Remain. Right? And now, if we continue to simplify it, so we open the bracket, we have cosine square x minus sine square x, and the cosine square to be minus as well. Because when we open the bracket, the sign of this positive, negative, positive become negative. Okay, hence we can now cancel out the cosine square in the numerator. All right, and here we have cosine x. Anybody follow? Yes, huh? Okay. So, what's the next step? negative sign. Because we have a sine square, isn't it? Can we split into two? Sine x times sine x, right? While one of the sine x I will combine with the cosine x and make it become tangent. And this sine x will put side by side. Right? To get my final answer. To get my final answer. You understand? Cannot change to sine square x to can. You able to change that. Okay, someone said if you want to change the cos square, do that also can. The cos square, somebody said change to 1 minus sine square x can. If you're able to do this also can, actually having the same result. Okay? Because your friend said the cos square x can be changed to sine 1 minus sine square. Yes, correct. Correct, because we learned in this example, I think the lecturer want to test you on this sine square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Right, I think that is the one the lecturer would want to test. And from here actually we can write our cosine square x as 1 minus sine square x, and also at the same time the sine square x also can be written as 1 minus cosine square x. You understand now? In all these three formula that that question that lead us to focusing on. Either you change the 1 to be sine square plus cos square, or else by changing cos square to 1 minus sine square also will heading to the same result. Is it alright? Any question before I continue? Huh? Can. If you know how to see, you write me straight away name sine square x also can. Okay? That's all. And if no issue, then we can proceed to the second question. You can start to do it now before I start to discuss. Okay? So as I said, today we're focusing on the trigo, proving, solving equation. Okay, and then I will add in some more double angle and product sum later on. Can we continue to the next one? All right. So the next question we will just expand it, isn't it? Expand both this completing square. So for this one, cosine x minus sine x square the value. So I think we have this cos square minus 2cs. Okay, right. I just write short form. Let's say you just write me on that this c to be cosine x and s to be sine x at first. So in the workings here, maybe you just write c and s. Okay, plus cos square plus 2cs plus sine square, isn't it? Right. I just expand whatever I mean in the expression. Okay, this one is from the cos minus sine, while the other one would be cos plus sine. Everybody follow? Right. Okay. So 用号，you follow? Do I do it in this way? Are you doing the same way? Or you haven't do it? Isn't? No. So if I expand it, so you get this here. The both 2 cosine x have been cancelled out, and left only cos square plus sine square is what? 1, isn't it? Right? And also we have another one here. So end up my final answer after simplify will be 2. Do you understand now? Yes, sir. Right. Okay. Okay. Last week exam I have these few questions. I mean this question C. Okay, I think we can discuss and do further explanation. Okay. Last week we do this question C. Okay. Maybe we do now together. Later I'll give back this test load. So once you check your marks and all this, please upload accordingly. All right. I discussed question C first. Okay, this one is from the test 2. From the test 2. Okay, for test 2, if you go to check, as I said, I don't think many students do this. Anyone can change the 1 plus cotangent square into 1. How many do this? How many do this direct conversion? Raise the right hand. How many? Into 1. Cosec square. You know there's a formula is 1 plus cotangent square is cosec square. How many do you know? Raise your hand. You have to check the formula. You have to check. There's a formula. This one can change to 1 plus. cosecant square. That is a formula. Yes or no? You know where is it or not? Okay, let me show you. Okay, I have given a formula here. 6.6.2. Can you see we have a Pythagoras theorem? 1 plus cotangent square is what? Cosec square. Is it alright? Do you understand now? Okay, next. This one I just remade it. Alright. Okay, next. There are a few formulas. This one is not given. But you have to so-called remember it. Cosec is what? 1 over sine. Sec is what? 1 over cos. Cotangent is what? 1 over tangent. Right. This one you can remember. Sorry, this one is key. Okay, come down, come down. Yes, okay, Yanbing, can you tell? How about tangent? What tangent can we write into? Sine over cos. I think a few of students, they have mixed up the cotangent and tangent. Tangent is sine over cos. Then how about cotangent? Cotangent is what? Cos over sine. You follow me or not, class? This one is what you have to so-called remember it because the formula is not given. You understand me or not, class? Okay, all the cosine, sec, and cotangent, all of them can be write as 1 over sine or cos, and even the cotangent can be write as cos over sine as well. Because tangent is sine over cos, therefore cotangent as a reciprocal of tangent will be write as cosine over sine. You understand now? Okay, now what we do next is because of this is s, isn't it? Okay, right. So this one can be write as what? 1 over sine square x and multiply cos square x. Just no plus. So what is cos over sine plus? And with a square. So here our answer done. Yes or no? Do you understand now? Okay, I still see not many can do it. Not so many can do it. This question. Still not good, no so good familiar in this one. Okay, so how I'm marking, I mark this one and I mark this one. That's how I can get 5 marks. Is it alright? Yeah. Right. Give you some time. You have a look and then before we go to the next one, I give you some time. Okay, class. How about number two? Question number two. How about question number two? Cosine theta, secant theta, and cosine theta. How to do it? How to change it? Cos theta, what I will do is 1 over cos minus cos theta, isn't it? Right. What you can do is just multiply in what is 1 minus cos squared? Sine squared theta. Do you understand now? Do you understand now? So difficult, is it? No, man. I try my best. I tried my best to set this question at moderate level. Okay. This. You need to get this ready. What is 1 minus cos square, 1 minus sine square? Actually, it's from here. From here. Even 1 tangent square is secant square, cotangent square is also quite important. Is it alright? Yeah. Okay, now we continue to do more, right? Okay, I think this revision paper, maybe you do not find many proving question. Okay, so I will suggest you to do more by doing the past year. Okay, doing the past year. We have some past year added for you, isn't it? This one is a revision by copy. Okay, but however, we have a past year in this stream. Okay, we have past year, right? Can I give you like a homework, so that you have to pass up this one, pass up the whole question. Okay, so we're going to check it by this Thursday. Can we do 2 years? Is it enough? The latest one, 1 and 2, the latest one, 2025, and also the 01. Yes or no? Then you can check from here. We actually having some. Yeah, you do all the questions. You do all the questions. It's all right. Yeah. Okay, because today I would like to discuss. We have these questions. Okay, this one is from last semester one. Can we do this discussion? Yes. Okay, so this one, 2025, we have 2025. Okay, this one is your homework. All right. Okay, you have some time to do it. Now it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 2 days. And even later you can do it. Right? If any question, you may ask in my coming Thursday. Okay, we're going to solve it together. Right? Okay. We try our best to push our this okay, proving. Right, try to define with this question. Second, how do we change it? Second, plus 1 over cos, isn't it? Right. Okay, how about for second? cosecant is 1 over sine. Am I right? I'm still doing proving. I'm still doing proving. Okay? And how about tangent? The simplest one, tangent. Sine over cos. Correct. Correct. That's all. Okay. So if I want to make it to be a single fraction, okay, that means they're having the common denominator of this c. So that means if we want to combine it become one fraction, we have to multiply s up and down, isn't it? Am I right? So that now they are having the same cosine sine as a denominator, right? And here will be 1 minus sine squared. Correct now, class? You follow what I'm saying? Okay, again, what is 1 minus sine squared? Correct, correct. Cos squared. Anybody follow? Yes or no? And now we have cos squared cancel out 1, left only 1 plus cos over sine. What is cos over sine? Cotangent. Do you get it now? Yes, sir. Okay, not so difficult. As I mentioned, you need to know all the second, cosecant, tangent, all of them actually can be rewrite it as in terms of sine, cos, and then you do some simplification and then you got a final answer. Is it alright? But the question number 2, I don't do it first. I just want to do one more question about the Pythagoras theorem, sine squared plus cos squared equals to 1. Is it alright? Okay. Please do your own revision. Even the same question, you can do it again without referring to the answer first and then you refer it later. Okay? Is it alright? Okay. Can we continue? Okay. The question 2 we don't do first. Okay. Because question 2 I need some fundamental before I go into question 2. Alright? Can we continue? Yes, sir. Okay. You see, we have so many formula in our this exam. Okay. Now we would like to talk about. I know they are in this product to some formula. Okay. We need to focusing on both. Both actually we need to know. We need to know it. Okay, but however, when we do proving question, maybe we can just remember from here. From here. This one is a new formula that I haven't covered yet during my last lesson. Last few lessons about trigo I didn't cover. Now I covered it. Okay, from here. The sum to product. The sum to product. Okay, you can check this out in your formula. 6.10, we have product to sum and sum to product. Okay, so maybe we starting from sum to product. Okay, I don't want to talk about derivation. If I talk derivation, I think your guys will many question mark. I just talk about how does it look like the pattern and how you apply it first. If anyone like to know how derivation, then only I'll tell it during your class. Is it okay? Now lecture class, I'm gonna tell how this pattern is, and later we will actually use this sine sum to product and product to sum rule to solve some question. Okay? Yes, sir. Can we continue? Okay, yes, sir. Right. So now maybe you can write together with me. Okay. This is alpha beta. Maybe you can write A and B. Yeah, we have number one. Number one, sine A plus sine B. Okay, as the name of these rules, we have sum. We have sum of these two trigo. The sum of trigo function, we can rewrite as what? 2 sine and cosine. Right, when it is sine plus sine, we have 2 sine cos. 2 sine cos. Alright. As compared to, we have sine A minus sine B. When this is minus, I remember in such a way, we have what? 2. This one we swap. Then to be 2 cosine sine. Okay, everybody follow? Right. I give you some time to write together. It's better write your own formula. Even the formula is even here. You can double check, but we remember in our ways. Sine plus sine is 2 sine cos. Alright? And then sine minus sine is 2 cosine and sine. Everybody follow? Yes or no? Okay, you just write it down and remember it. Even the formula is given. Okay? Sine plus sine can be written as 2 sine times cos. That is why it's known as product. Okay, the sum to product. I mean, the left hand side is the sum. Either plus or minus. Okay, whenever it is sine A plus sine B, you can write 2 sine cos, and sine A minus sine B is 2 cosine sine. Okay, let me write down. Just write down. I give you some time. You write it down. Okay, number 3. Number 3. What do we still have, class? Can you see another 2 is what? We do not have sine plus cos. Either is what? They must be the same function. Sine plus sine, sine minus sine, isn't it? Right. So another 2 more will be what? Will be cos A plus cos B and cos A minus cos B. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Okay, now can you check if cos by cos, what do we get? Plus, can you tell me cos plus cos, you will get what? 2 cosine cosine. And right. Yes or no? When you have the same, cosine function add up together, you have 2 same function on the right. Right? 2 same cosine function on the right. Okay? While cos minus cos is what? Correct. Negative 2 sine sine. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Yes, okay. Normally, I will remember in such a way. First, I will remember the sine plus sine is 2 sine cos. The sine minus sine is 2 cosine sine. The cos plus cos is what? Plus 2 cos cos. The cos minus cos is what? Minus 2 sine sine. The formula is given. But however, I would like to teach in this way so that you can remember ahead how this formula pattern is look like. So when it comes to exam, you just use the correct formula accordingly. Is alright? Yes, sir. Okay, therefore, when we learn something, even the formula is given, you try to write your own formula, write the one you understand, then you know it actually stored in our brain somewhere else. So when we see the question, we can just plug in to use it. Is that clear? Sine plus sine is 2 sine cos. Sine A minus sine B is 2 cosine sine. And cos plus cos is what? 2 cos cos. Cos minus cos is what? Minus 2 sine sine. Is it alright? Okay, alright. Give me some time. Okay, you can see the formula that I write for you as compared to this one is a bit different. You can see the second one, the formula write the cos at the back, isn't it? I write to the front. Okay, why I want to do so? Because here, if I remember in such a way, all this front one, all will be what class? A plus B over 2. 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 It will be sum of two angles divided by 2. That means half of the sum angle. Is it okay? And the other one will be half of difference of the angle. A minus B over 2, A minus B over 2, and A minus B over 2, and this is also A minus B over 2. Do you understand the pattern of this angle? I mean the sum to product rules now? There's no class. That's okay. Very important now. Very important now. We understand that. Quite important. Not only in the coming exam, also in the coming calculus. You need this. You really need this. Okay. So even though I didn't cover the how it derived, but at least you need to know we are now have four types: sine plus sine, 2 sine cos, sine minus sine, 2 cosine sine, cos plus cos, and cos minus cos will be having the same function, either 2 cos cos for plus, minus 2 sine sine for minus. Is all right? Yes, sir. Okay, I give some time. Then only we start to do some tasks here. Okay, in my last semester, I come out with this question. Can you see question number 4, class? To prove that 2 cosine 3a equal cosine a equal to this one. How? What do you think? Which formula to be used, class? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4? Which one? Number 3, isn't it? We can prove the right hand side, isn't it? Yes, no? Okay, normally I will do this one. This one from the right hand side. I will swap the cosine 4a to the front and cosine 2a to the back. Normally, I will make this, the leader one is bigger angle. Okay, it's a higher, I mean a multiple angle compared to this one. Right, so now we can apply the formula. Thus, what is the formula for cos plus cos? Cos plus cos, what do we get? You have 2 cosine, cosine, isn't it? Am I right? Then, what's the next? 4a plus 2a divided by 2. Another one? Okay, so what do we get? 3a and 1a. The, the 4 marks. 1 marks. Okay or not, class? Difficult or not? Actually, no. The formula is there. But the student don't want to spend time to revision. I don't know why. Okay, but what I want to tell you is the formula is there, but you need to practice by writing your own pattern in your way. You have to store it somewhere in your brain. So whenever you see the question is cos 4a, cos 2a, then you just apply, plug, and then you can use the formula. Do you understand now? Okay? Just 2 rows only. You will spend 1 minute to solve this question. Okay, then you can research more time for other motion. Not spending so much money to think of which formula to be used. Okay, you don't spend time to think which formula during exam. You spend it during before exam. Before when you do revision, you have to spend time on how and which formula to use. When you come to exam, how many time? 1 minute you can do it. Then you can spend time for doing some solving, you can writing. Because this one you have to write 2 rows to solve the questions. You understand now? Yes, sir. Okay, can we continue? Okay, if yes, then I think we can now do a few more, few more. You can see, oh yeah, already done this one. Can you do some extra one? This one, 21. This one. Try to prove it from the right to left, then easier. Because since I already covered this sine A plus sine B, cos plus cos, and cos minus cos, right? Okay, take some time to do these 3 extra ones. Okay, how is it? Can do enough. Can. Starting from A, number A, how? Two sine cos because of sine plus sine, isn't it? The first one. So for question number A, if I prove from the right hand side, the right hand side, So whenever is sine 4x plus sine 2x, it is sine plus sine because it's the sine plus sine. According to the first one, the rules that we have are sine plus sine is what? We have 2 sine cosine, right? And then we can get those angle, add up together 4x plus 2x divided by 2. While the other one is what? Okay. So we can get 2 sine 3x and cosine x. For the answer? Is that? Right? Then we do the same for the B and C. Right? The B is cosine 3x cosine x. Right? So we have 2 cos, which is 3x plus x divided by 2, 3x minus x divided by 2. So we get 2 cosine, 2x and cosine x. Is it right? Okay, and the last one. The last one, if we change from the left hand side, cos minus cos is what? Minus 2 sine isn't it? So we have x plus 7x divided by 2. Another one is x minus 7x divided by 2. So you can get minus 2, 4x, isn't it? Is what? Okay, while the second one is sine, we have x minus 7x is what? Minus 3x, isn't it? And the minus sign in this bracket of sine can be taken up, make it become positive 2 sine 4x and sine 3x. You understand now? Yes, sir. Any questions so far? No. Right. I just want to cover this as well for our this coming main exam. Okay, this is quite important as well. It's all right. Can we continue? Right. We do a few more. Okay, class, can we also proving this 16 question 16? Yeah, triple angle. We have a triple angle. Is there any formula that we needed from this table for proving the triple angle? Any formula? Any formula you need? Let me know. I will cut it for your reference. Can you pick some formula from this table? Which formula? Compound angle. What else? Double angle. What else? Do we need this one? Okay, we pick this three now. We pick this three. All right. Hmm? Half angle. Which one? The top one. This one. Yes, I think very real. Very real. Okay, but not here, maybe in calculus, I think yes. Okay, so we pick these three angles, these three formula. Okay, right, let's start. Okay, so for example, we have this sine 3 theta and 3 sine theta and minus 4 sine cube. Okay, so from what we have, the sine 3 theta can be written as what class? Yeah, we can start from here. Correct or not? That's all. By having the 3 theta split into 2 theta and theta. Okay. Then from here, we can first apply this formula plus compound angle. What is sine A plus B? Yes. Yeah, we have sine 2 theta, we have sine 2 theta cos theta plus cosine 2 theta sine theta is the name, right? Okay. So what's the next step? You see our right hand side at the end only left only theta only, isn't it? Therefore, for this double angle, I need to apply some double angle formula, right? Can you see the sine 2 theta equals to what? Plus sine 2 theta can be written as what? 2 sine cos. We have 2 sine theta cos theta. You follow what I'm saying? Yes, huh? Okay, what else? This is this one I remain. Okay, this one I just remain it. Okay, because we also have a cosine 2 theta. I think this one is the critical one to solve this question. The cosine 2 theta is the one that we have to choose. Which one to use so that we can prove it to the right hand side. Okay, you can check from there which one we have to use. Plus, why is it 1 minus 2 sine squared?
Because the answer is sine cube.
Yes, because you will check your right hand side, the answer is only in terms of sine theta only, isn't it? Right. If I choose the first one, I still need to change it later on because I have cosine squared. If I choose the third one, it will straight away change everything in terms of sine only. Okay, so I choose the third one, which is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay, to multiply sine. You understand? Yeah, right. Continue. So we have 2 sine theta, and this one cos square, isn't it? Okay, plus the sine theta. Now I'm multiplying. I will get sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. Am I right? Because power 2, power 1 become power 3. Am I right? Okay, so when it comes to this rule, any term that we need to change is still which one? Cos square, isn't it? Yes. So we have to change the cos square into yes 1 minus sine square. Is alright? Cos square now we change it to be 1 minus sine square. Right? And the sine stay, I still rewrite it. It's the same one. And minus 2 sine cube theta. Can you follow? Right, so now I multiply my 2 sine theta in. I will get 2 sine theta, then minus 2 sine cube theta, and also sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta as well, right? So here we combine the similar term. We have a sine theta power 1. We have two of those. We have 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 become 3. Yes, we have 3 sine theta. And also, we also have another one is minus 2 sine cube and sine cube minus 2 as well. So, and now we have final is minus 4 sine cube theta, which is same as the right hand side. You understand? Huh? You're right. Yes, yeah, you're right. I think your guys are right. We need all this formula. Sine square plus cos square equals to 1. Sine compound angle and this double angle. Is you right? Yes, huh? Okay. Can we can we continue? Last. Can we continue?
Yes.
That's right. Right. Okay, now I would like to do some expansion on the cosine double angle. Okay, if let's say number 1, this one is an extra one. If I want you to simplify, okay. This question number 1, okay, I give you 2 more. Okay. 1 plus cosine 2a, right? If I want you to simplify 1 plus cosine 2a, right? To be divided by cos square a. Okay, so you have a cosine double angle, isn't it, class? Right. Which formula to be used? Which formula to be used? What it means, I have a cosine 2a here. I have 1, 2, 3. Which one? Why do you want to choose that one? Very good. You hear your friend, huh? Your friend said, he will choose the second one, because of the -1, he choose the second one so they can write 2 cosine square A minus 1, and that -1 can be eliminate the 1.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Do you understand what I'm saying now? The main thing is to get the 1 to be eliminated. You need to choose the second one. Yes, huh? You from the class? Pay attention, quite important, right? Okay, so at this point, the 2 cosine square can be cancelled as well. We have 2 cos square divided by cos square. And now we have 2. Do you fully understand now? And how about number 2? Simplify again. How about we have 1 plus cosine 2a, 1 minus cosine 2a. Can you do this simplification before I discuss here? Yeah, do number 2. So the top one, we change to 2 cos square minus 1, isn't it? How about the bottom one? Yes. This one I put in the bracket class. Right. I put in the bracket. So when we open it, open the bracket, the top one left what? Yes, we have 2 cos square A. Right. At the bottom, we also can cancel out the 1 plus 2 sine square A. So what's the final answer? Do we get cotangent square A? You understand now? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, number 3. Number 3, do some combination. How about if we have cos 4x minus cos 2x and to be divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Can you simplify this as well? Yeah, can you try to simplify this before I discuss? Can I change the question a bit? Sorry, I changed to 3x and x. Sorry, I can't calculate. I mean, how long? Okay, maybe I try this one. You try this one. Cosine 3x and cos x instead. So that I have an important form. Thank you so much for waiting. Okay. This question is a combination of the sum to product rules and the double angle as well. Right. Okay. What is it? Okay, so the cosine 3x minus sine x is what, right? Minus 2 sine, am I right? Then we have 3x plus x divided by 2, 3x minus x divided by 2 as well. Okay, and the bottom one, which one should we use plus? Yeah, because if I use this one, I can eliminate the 1. Right. So the top one becomes minus 2 sine 2x, right? And sine x as well. And to be divided by 2 sine square x. So by cancelling the 2 and this, so end up, what's my answer? Again, sine 2x over sine x. Do you do up to this point? Is this my final answer? No. Why no? Yes. Yes, we can reduce further. Which is the sine 2x can be right as what class? 2 sine x cosine x. Sine x. Yes, sir. So my sine can be cancelled out. Left only one. Wow, this one I just set it directly. So I set question very fast. Oh, good. Good. Very simplified, isn't it? You follow now, Ivan? Yes, sir. Okay. So I think that's it for my trigo proving question. Don't leave person this. Do you want to get your test paper now or later? Sorry, I just now was too long time.